CES 2020 is due to start on the 6th of Jan, which is basically next week, and already we're seeing quite a lot of leaks and so on, and especially we're seeing one from Samsung in terms of a bezel-less 8K panel and TV going along the lines of a model number which is Q900T and Q950T. Now, Samsung are saying this is a zero bezel TV. Basically, there's nothing at all round the edges, no borders, no nothing, zero, zilch, de nada. Now, this is really exciting because, you know, we kind of starting to see that more and more with phones, and it's one of the things we kind of, as geeks, want to look forward to with our TVs as the bezels get smaller and smaller, and now it seems they finally disappeared. Unfortunately, it's on an 8K panel, which I say unfortunately because the price is likely to be many, many, many thousands of pounds. I wouldn't be surprised that, say, a 65-inch model would be around about the £5,000 mark easily. Having said that, we saw this with the 4K panels many years ago, or a few years ago, and very quickly those began to plummet in price. So we should start to see that in a few years with 8K panels as adoption starts to move forward from those of us that are nerdy enough to think that 8K is going to be an amazing leap forward, which is probably not. But needless to say, it's really exciting, and I'll keep you up to date with more and more leaks as and when they happen. There is rumours also of a new soundbar that sort of goes along the similar lines of the sort of design cues of these new panels too. So that's quite exciting if you're into the whole soundbar thing. So I'll keep you updated. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, which is somewhere around here. And if you have subscribed, click the bell, because then you'll be alerted when I dig out some more news and rumours and God knows what. I'll also be updating you as to what's happening with CES 2020 next week and all the goodies that we can dig out and find regards TVs, gadgets, geeks and nerddom. Catch you soon. Have a good day.